Thank you for purchasing the Cryptotag Loki. Since 2017, hodlers in more than 100 countries around the world have used a crypto tag to secure their crypto. The Cryptotag Loki can be used for making a standard backup of your wallet, which consists of 12 to 24 recovery words. And the Cryptotag Loki can also be used for a single share, multi-share, or Shamir backup, which usually consists of 20 words. In this tutorial, we will explain how the Cryptotag Loki works with a Trezor wallet, with a 12-word standard backup. First, write down all 12 words on a piece of paper. Your Trezor most likely has a 12-word seed phrase. If your wallet has a 24-word seed phrase, you can follow the same steps. In that case, you will use the backside of the Loki as well. In case your wallet has a 12-word seed phrase, the backside can be used to back up future additional wallets. Now, take all items out of the box. Place the titanium Loki, the pencil, and your recovery words in front of you. Use the pencil to mark the letters that you want to punch. This way, you can punch the words into the Loki more easily in the next step. Please pay attention. A backup word consists of 3 to 8 letters. The first 4 letters are unique to each word and are sufficient to recover the full word. That is why you only have to punch the first 4 letters of each word. Unless a word consists of 3 letters, then, of course, you only need to punch 3 letters in the titanium Loki. In this example, the first word is Satoshi. This word should be in column 1. We only need the first 4 letters, so in row 1, we mark the letter S. In row 2, we mark the letter A. In row 3, the letter T, and in row 4, the letter O. The first word is done, so now we can proceed with the second word. In our example, the second word is acquire. This word should be in the second column. In row 1 of the second column, we mark the letter A. In row 2, the letter C. In row 3, the letter Q. And in row 4, the letter U. We will continue doing this for all the recovery words. We recommend that you check each word at the end to make sure you haven't made any mistakes. The final step is to punch all the words into the titanium Loki. We do this by using the automatic center punch to engrave all the letters we marked in the previous step. Our high-quality automatic center punch ensures easy use and perfect engraving results. Before punching, the use of earplugs is advised. Also, use a solid base, for example, a strong table. Again, we start with the first word in column 1, which is Satoshi. Place the point of the center punch on the letter S in row 1. We've already marked this letter with the pencil, so we know exactly where to punch. The best way to use the automatic center punch is by placing your other hand on top of the center punch and pressing the punch down. A deep mark is automatically made in the titanium Loki. The second letter is the A, then the letter T, and the letter O. And we will continue punching all words into the Loki. As a final check, make sure all the words on the Loki match the recovery words. If you have multiple wallets, you can distinguish between your backups by numbering them using the wallet ID. Please make sure you do not leave any paper copies, so burn the paper with your recovery words on it. When done, cover the Loki to shield the words. You have now made a secure backup. We wish you a safe huddle.